Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression, negative 1 to the power of 4 minus 1. Are you ready to solve this? Let's go down and solve this. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 gives us positive 1. And then 1 minus 1 equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So first, we have to handle the exponent, then the subtraction operation is done. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to calculate the exponent 1 to the power of 4, which gives us 1. So here, we bring down the negative sign to get negative 1 minus 1, which equals negative 2. Therefore, the correct answer will be negative 2. Did you guess negative 2 before this?